How to freeze column in monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to freeze or pin column in your workspace in monday.com. So you can go to monday.com and go to your dashboard, and then you can go to your workspace that you want to make the column freeze and or pin. So let's say I'm gonna choose this workspace, and you can choose the board because basically the column is on the board. So let's say this one, this board. So yeah, this board, I'm gonna make the column freeze. And as you can see, in this board, only item column is frozen. So let's say I want to make this status column froze also. So maybe I need this because I want to make it as a comparison or reference. So I need to make this column froze. So first you can go to your three dots here, and then there is option to pin columns. You can click it, and then you can choose the column you want to make it freeze. So let's say status. So let's say status, and then you can just click save, and then you can leave it and it's frozen. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.